Hey, what's up, everyone? Wanted to hop on and do a quick review of the Purell hand sanitizer. This is the 1 liter bottle. This is, as you can see from the scale of my hands, this is a pretty large bottle. This isn't something that it wasn't something I would carry with me every day, but this would be something that I would probably put on the front desk of my business, or something that I would probably just pop in the living room. Something that a communal area where multiple people are going to be using this, because again, it's a fairly large size, and no single person probably doesn't need this much hand sanitizer, at least not since 2020. But overall, I think it's a reasonable size if you're going to have multiple people in a communal space using it. And I do like the fact it does have the pump up here. Essentially, all you have to do is just walk up and give it, since it's brand new, give it a pump, and then it's just a matter of basically rubbing it all in your hands. I think we've all used hand sanitizer before, but if you have not, you just kind of rub it in, and eventually what's going to happen is all the alcohol is going to evaporate, and then you're going to have nice, clean, disinfected hands. But again, overall, I like the fact that it's the size that, again, you will put it in a public place. You'll put it where most people are going to use it, and partially because it's really, really hard to walk off with this. If you were to put a small little bottle inside it, and basically say a basket of the smaller ones in a public place, they're going to walk off before they get used. This is very hard to walk off with. So overall, good product. I'm happy with the product. It's universal. People know what it is. And again, the pump makes it easy for a lot of people to use very easily. Overall, it's a good product, and I do recommend. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.